bring the truing stand pointers together so that they're below the rim. And then when you spin the rim, you sight the gap between the indicator and the bottom of the rim. And you can bring it up until it rubs. And you can see the gap, and you can hear the rubbing. And the rubbing is a high spot where the rim is too high, and where it's not rubbing is a low spot where the rim is low. So basically you have to loosen the low spot and tighten the high spot. When you tighten the high spot, you pull the wheel this way. When you loosen the low spot, you've tightened it this way, and the low spot moves that way.